I have been waiting to do this room tour for a really long time. Okay, so we are staying at the Pop Century Resort. My name is Angie and my channel name is Grateful for Disney. We checked in just a couple minutes ago. We are staying in the 60s building at Pop Century and we're on the second floor. So we are staying where you can see, okay, so outside you can see the, what do you call those? The gondolas. On the other side of the building, which is not a far walk at all, is the pool. And on this side is the lake. And as you can see, trees and just kind of quiet back here. Really nice. Okay, so when we first came in the room, the Disney channel was on, the Disney Resort channel was on, and the rest of the room was dark, but the Disney TV was on. Okay, so we have a refrigerator. The fan is ours, we brought it. And it's nice that you can see it. It makes it easier to not forget stuff in here. We have our own Keurig, which we brought, and then this comes with, I don't know where you get these little things. Let's see, maybe they're in here. Yeah, here we go. So you can get decaf, tea, creamers, all that kind of stuff. So we have a particular type of coffee we like. I am not a big fan of the Joffrey's coffee, which see, not a big fan. So if we run out of our Keurig, I will go for the Joffrey's, but not a big fan of Joffrey's coffee. So that's that. Ice buckets, cups. All right, so this table, if you've seen one of these videos before, it is not just a table. It is a Murphy bed. At some point, if we do pull this down, I'll, insert a little picture of what that looks like. But imagine a bed about the same size as that bed right here. It just folds down and the table kind of comes up underneath it. But it is really nice to actually have a table, partially just to put all of our stuff. So when it's down, there's a nightstand on that side, nightstand on this side that has these jacks, which is great. So we brought 2 extra pillows because, when you go to a hotel room, sometimes there's just not enough pillows. And there are 4 pillows each for us. So we're gonna have plenty of pillows. Kind of looks ridiculous at the moment. But we have Disney art up there. We have a nice mass amount of space on this counter, which is fantastic. We've got drawer space, which we'll utilize in a few minutes. More space and another pillow, a safe. Let's see, hooks, places to hang clothes, using that for shoes, that space. And here is the iron and blow dryer. And ironing board is right here on the wall. And this extra shelf space is really nice too. So camera, big mirror, lots of space down here. These little cubby holes are nice because again, it just makes it easier to remember things instead of seeing closed doors or cabinets or drawers to forget. I love these mirrors. Turning the light on to kind of be able to put that makeup on or, do whatever you do in a mirror. In the bathroom, they've got the, the toiletry things. Well, that's nice. They put a little clean thing on top. So shiny clean. And glass doors on that. And it's a bathtub, which is wonderful because I will be using that. I love the colors on the wall. And right now, we refused, they call it refusing or rejecting room service. Right now, the only thing they do for room service is, what'd they say? They would bring you clean sheets or clean towels, but they're not making up your bed or doing any kind of cleaning in the room.
So I forgot to say any kind of closing anything for this particular video. I just got so excited, I guess, that we were at Disney World. This was a fantastic room. It's in a really, really good location. It's close to the gondolas and food and the pool. And I think it's fantastic. So anyway, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. That would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.